All right, another company disaster we'll loop in with Bed Bath Beyond today. Shares of Stitch Fix. We're following that one after the announcement that Elizabeth Spaulding will step down as chief executive and as a member of the board of directors effective as of today. Founder and former CEO Katrina Lake has been renamed to the role and will serve in an interim capacity for 6 months or until her successor is appointed. Another boomerang CEO, as they would say. Bob Iger coming back, Katrina Lake, founder, coming back to lead her company as well. And we wish her well. I can't see what type of changes she can enact at this company. She was leading them really up to the point that Elizabeth Spaulding got appointed, I believe, 1.5 years ago, 2 years ago. Stock down 84% in the past year. It's a tough situation. Situation.
And a couple of things to say here. First of all, it's interesting that she's putting a time limit on this. 6 months, that's the time that the company has to find a new CEO. That's interesting. Secondly, it's interesting that Elizabeth Spaulding is leaving effective immediately. That's interesting as well here. And one more thing, you were talking about the stock performance. The stock went public. I remember this back in 2017 at $15 a share. It's trading just over $3. The stock actually rose in the pre-market after this statement came out, and then that gain went away.
Their execution has been abysmal. Pretty much every single quarter that they have gone public, it's awful. Even when they beat, there were concerns on the street about their level of execution. Now they're trying to pull back on marketing, which is the lifeblood of this business, to make an earnings number, and they still can't make an earnings number.
Yeah, I mean, in shifting the business from the procure and pack for people to the now optionality of picking and then packaging within that freestyle segment that they had launched as well. I think within the delivered fashion, sure, you were looking for any type of boost post-pandemic, or at least after we had gotten back into some of the social constructs and been a little bit more comfortable with refreshing our fashion and wardrobe. But it also came at a time where there were so many other options in that delivered fashion, from fast fashion players that have brick and mortar experiences in tandem to the new rise of some of the online and social first, like a Shein and even like some of the other influencer driven plays out there too. And so for Stitch Fix, I don't know. I felt like I could get some of the fashion that they were offering at Target. Why not just walk across the street for that?
Rent the Runway doing pretty good, though. I know. Julie Trade.
I wish they had men's stuff.
Me too. Soon.